Tampak na yung paano mo
pinaghandaan.
Yeah.
Yun nga sinasabi ko when it's really meant for you, it'll all fall into place. And for me, kasi hindi lang din talaga ako sobrang naghanda. Parang nangyari na lang siya. Kasi mas nakafocus ako ng campaign Mas nakafocus ako na kailangan samahan yung asawa ko, ganyan. So, nung dumating na sa point na magsa-start yung show ko, nagulat na lang ako, ay, start na pala tayo. And it's more of yung mga katrabaho ko. Sila Direk FM Reyes, sila Miss Julie Ann, sila yung naghanda sa akin para makapagod. And of course, Star Magic, talagang parang kinondisyon nila ako na okay, ito, yan si Kuya A. Nag-meeting kami, ito ha, magsisimula na tayo, ready ka na ba? So I conditioned myself na okay, makukuha yung oras ko sa taping, but I also have to be healthy. So, it's more of that. Mas hinanda ko yung mind ko, hindi physically, kasi kahit naman nung kakapanganak ko lang kay Rosie, nag-alaga na rin talaga ako ng sarili ko But, yun nga, mental, mind conditioning talaga when it comes to work. So, yun, more of that. Yun yung ways kung paano maghanda.
And I also observed na parang ito na yung pinaka-sexiest.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kung kailan ka talaga nagkaroon.
Kakahabol lang bagets.
So, anong secret?
Oh my gosh, I wish I had a secret, pero wala. Ano talaga, happy lang talaga ako. I guess pag happy ka, talagang lumalabas yun You learn to take care of yourself more. And for me, important talaga na maalagaan ko yung sarili ko, not only for myself, but of course for my husband and for my daughter, for my family. So sabi ko, kailangan, hindi ako hinihingal pag hinahabol ko si Bagets. Kailangan talagang, ko yung kahit puyat ako, mabilis akong kumilos, kahit pagod ako, may energy ako. So it's just really about taking care of yourself. So baka kaya lumalabas, kasi happy ako sa family ko.
So, how's your diet?
I don't have a diet. But the secret for me, ayun pala, may secret ako. I eat small meals throughout the day. I cannot go on for like the whole day na walang kinakain masyado. But I also cannot eat a lot ng isang biglaan. So for example, like in the morning, I eat breakfast, and then after breakfast, may snack pa ako. After ng snack, lunch, meron akong merienda, tapos dinner. Ganun ako sa buong araw. Hindi pwedeng walang kinakain, in short, ganun.
Basta small meals.
Small meals. Kaya siguro ako pumayat. Kasi nababurn agad. Yun.
Thank you, Jess.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.